Here again is gaps. In this case, it's insufficient, or what could be the cause of this problem could be insufficient cleaning of the specimen prior to the mounting process, or it could also be the incorrect choice of resin. So make sure that, again, the specimen is completely clean, degreased, dry before mounting. And sometimes I use ethanol, sometimes I use acetone, depend on the material, to make sure that it's absolutely degreased. And then please dry it either with a hairdryer or dry box, so it's completely dry before you do the mounting process. Here again, it's a piece of steel with a coating. As you can see again, there's a gap. So we can, again, this will give us problem with contamination and cleaning issues, but it can also do that we don't have support of the coating layer, and therefore it can actually also perhaps have the risk to make cracks in our coating material. Remount, that could be the solution. Remount using a resin with a lower linear shrinkage value. Again, it will probably be a little more expensive resin, but then you will avoid this kind of problem at the end.